Welcome to Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, Lucknow, where the future of education begins today. Here, we nurture new age skills, focus on character development and life skills through enriching morning assemblies that inspire, motivate, help shape beliefs and critical thinking skills. Innovation is at our core, and we embrace cutting-edge technology initiatives like AI, robotics, coding, the metaverse, and machine learning. We are proud to be one of the select few Microsoft Showcase and Lego Build the Challenge Showcase schools of Lucknow. Our students enjoy a balance of sports, fitness, and diverse co-curricular activities, developing both mind and body. Personalized learning tailors each student's educational journey to their unique strengths and needs, supported by our dedicated faculty and rigorous academic programs. Our infrastructure provides an ideal setting for learning and growth, featuring state-of-the-art facilities, helping us achieve a strength of 2,300 plus students within 8 years of inception. The International Early Years curriculum lays a solid foundation for our youngest learners, and our career advisory cell offers invaluable guidance for senior students to help them choose the right career paths, also preparing them for successful futures in universities both India and abroad. Witness the future at Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, Lucknow, where we don't just teach, we prepare leaders for the new world.